Hello students. In previous topic we have learned about sources. There are official records and the surveys. Now we are going to study the records of European companies. The records maintained by the Portuguese, Dutch, French and English East India companies are useful in reconstructing the history of the 17th and 18th century CE. Student, reconstructing means describing or showing exactly how a past event happened using the information you have gathered. Student, the records maintained by the Portuguese, French, Dutch and English East India companies, these records are very useful to reconstruct the history of the 17th and 18th century common era. They provide important information about the economic and political history of the period. Means these records are very useful and these records provide important information about political history and economic and political history of that particular period. Student, now we are going to study about the indigenous literature and miscellaneous work. What is indigenous? Indigenous means local, sthanik. Then miscellaneous means mix. Okay. Official records reveal only a certain part of the history of the modern period. Okay. And also indigenous means people who lived in a place for a very long time before other people come there. It is called indigenous. Means local. Official records reveals only a few parts of the history of the modern period and they do not provide any information about the lives of the common people. Okay. About what they thought or felt. Okay. So that newspaper and indigenous literature give in-depth information. Do you know? And about the lives of the common people and about what they thought, what they felt. Newspapers played a very significant role in the freedom movement by making the public aware of the exploitative nature of the British rule. To know about the lives of the people during this period, historians make use literary sources such as contemporary biographies. Biographies means the study of person's life written by somebody. त्याला म्हणतो आपण जीवनचरित्र. Autobiographies means the study of person's life written by that person. त्याला म्हणतात आत्मचरित्र. Contemporary biographies and autobiographies such as those of Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. Next, English and the vernacular newspapers such as Rast Goftar, Patriot, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Indian Mirror and Kesari are also useful sources. This newspaper played a very significant role in the freedom movement by making the public aware of the exploitative nature of the British rule. Many of these newspapers are available in a digitis means digital form and on microfilm today. Newspapers and indigenous literature give depth information about lives of common people. Okay. And thoughts and felt. Okay. Diaries of people and records left behind by travelers and pilgrims. The job of historians. Vernacular means a language spoken in particular area, especially when it is not the official or written language. Exploitative means to use something or to treat somebody unfairly for your own advantage. Okay. The job of historians become very significant in the light of the availability of so many resources, and historians are expected to be unbiased and objective in their approach as far as possible to provide an accurate history of the past. What is the meaning of unbiased? Unbiased means showing no prejudice for or against something. Impartial. Unprejudiced means निपक्षपात, योग्य. Okay. निपक्षपात. Students, historians are expected and unbiased and objective in their approach as far as possible to provide an accurate history of the past. I hope you understood this topic, and today's homework is write on the records of European companies. Thank you, students.